Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Gameloft account onto the Asphalt Legends Unite game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Asphalt Legends Unite game, and once you open it up, you will be taken into the home page. From here, if you wish to connect your Gameloft account so that you can continue your progress both within your phone as well as your PC, just tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from here, go ahead and click on Gameloft Connect and then click on the Connect button. You will now see the Not Connected option alongside Gameloft. So go ahead and click on the Connect button and you will now be asked to enter the email address and password associated with your Gameloft ID. Go ahead and type in your email address that you used while creating your Gameloft account and then type in your account password within the password box. After entering both of these credentials, you can click on the login button and now you will be logged in through your Gameloft account as well. And now all of your progress will be linked with your Gameloft account, which means that you will be able to share your gameplay progress within both your phone as well as your PC. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to connect your Gameloft account within the Asphalt Legends Unite game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.